So
It's gonna be like this the whole rest of the year.
the whole rest of the year. You're right.
Alright,
We did
so
start
I'm
like this.
plugging in. Yeah. I was gonna review myself. So this is 4 squared minus 2 times 4. 16 minus 8. Hold on, right. Kayla did.
Maybe even do
My
homework.
son's in the room holding up the class. Right side? Right side room? Alright. Alright. Okay. 0 squared minus 2 times 0.
This ain't gonna count. My head.
0 minus 0. That's gotta be the easiest one. I like plugging in 0. And then, let's see. Okay, this one's the hardest one. Negative 3 squared minus 2 times negative 3. Yeah. So now that I have a negative, I'm putting it in parentheses because it's negative 3 times negative 3, which is a positive 9. If you don't do parentheses, your calculator will tell you negative 9. Your calculator will mess you up. Negative 2 times negative 3 is a positive 6. Tuesday.
Now that means 16.
If you want to. I mean, you can do a mental math. Negative 3 times negative 3. Are we good? All right, number 2. Or number 4. Number 4.
I ain't gonna count. Miss, your head not hurting? Oh yeah, all of us got contaminated.
Right here. It's like it's the front there. It's your temple. Whatever the.
I got throw up.
All right, guys. So today we're graphing parabolas. So you have to start out with some basic vocabulary. So we're just sketch this real quick, and I'm gonna tell you like the ways we talk about parabolas. I guess that center point might be the most important. Yeah, this is the last question under your bell for today. And then we're going to get out a graph paper and we're going to make some graphs. I do. All right, your center point is actually called the vertex. You guys heard vertex before? We did vertex when we did the V shape for absolute value, but we only did it for like a day. You probably don't remember. But when you hike up a mountain, do you get to the vertex and then you get to the summit? You know the vertices of an angle or the vertex of a triangle? Huh. A lot of times vertex is indicated by HK. Like, you know, it's an XY point. But since it's like the most special point, we don't just call it XY. We call it HK, just so you know. If there's an H and a K, they're talking about the center. This is a cool part of parabolas. It's a dashed line. This is called the axis of symmetry. You know symmetry. So all parabolas are perfectly symmetrical. If you fold it in half, it'll match. So here, axis of symmetry is the line x equals 3. I guess I could have told you the point of the vertex. For this parabola, it was 3, negative 6. You know, so you got your vertex, you got your middle line, which we call axis of symmetry. I mean, I don't even care if you label this one. You should know that that's a y-intercept. You You should know y-intercept already. And then your parabolas have two important points. I'm gonna highlight these blue. Those are called the zeros. Zeros are x-intercepts, but they have special names. So this is all the important. I mean, there's more, but that's the majority of the important vocabulary for parabolas.
So they're the same thing, just special.
Because they're on the x-axis. I should tell you that, like, sometimes a parabola will, like, go up and turn before it hits the x-axis, so there's no zeros here. Because there's no x-intercepts. And then other times, and you probably can't open down, other times there's exactly 1 0. So there's not always 2. Sometimes there's none, and sometimes there's 1 if it just touches and turns. Okay. You can also touch and turn opening up. You can also open down this way. So your parabola can be in a lot of different places. Alright, if you have graph paper, you have graph paper. If you don't, I'll give one to you because we're going to make 4 graphs right now.
Somebody got some ideas.
I need you guys to keep this graph paper today for forever, but we're only going to write on the front.
I'll get it.
Overnight, it was just him.
Oh, maybe someone just wrote you a letter. Who told you?
You all right? You look like you've been crying. That's why I said you all right. It ain't the allergies.
Alright guys, we're gonna do 4 graphs on the front of this today, and we're gonna do 4 graphs on the back of it tomorrow. So be neat. So we're gonna fold in half.
I'm bad at holding.
And then we're gonna fold in half. We want 4 squares. 4 squares. Half and half.
Renee, you got some ibuprofen cards?
Why you couldn't hear me so?
Because they only got Tylenol. And I already asked them, so we got a headache.
Please don't get any medication out. Pass it around. I have to send it out.
Give them a what?
In case you didn't know. No medication passed around. That's against the rule.
Oh, no, they tripping this.
Okay.
Well, they ain't fix the gas because I'm about to die. Yo, like, dead serious. I got a headache right
So
now.
bad. I didn't smell iodine. That's why it's already
I
smells
was-
so weird. It smells like, but it smells so bad and all the way around. So why did
Oh,
I
yeah,
got
smell like
today
fish.
too. I got this weed, like, okay,
No, I don't
so
think
Smell like
seafood.
fish.
It's-
I think that's from the thing. I think that's what it takes it to.
okay, okay, so.
I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna graph in all 4 of these. So like, be organized, okay? So here I am. I'm just in the top half, number 1.
Is it gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2?
I don't know.
Let's go down
Which
to
way do you want to go?
down.
Well, you guys just said
I like going down.
You go down.
I like going down.
Alright, so we're not gonna take a letter in here. number 1 is the
Name that with some vitamin C.
parent quadratic function. It's y equals x squared. So I'm going to make a table. And then next to it, we're going to next to it, I'll do x and y. All that has to fit in the first square.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's a lot. Okay, I hope not.
Can somebody hand me an eraser? Or a pencil with an eraser?
I have one.
Didn't you rip my pencil? Thank you.
Oh, we should have done it. Okay, so we're gonna finish this table. So we're gonna plug in for x to our equation, and that's gonna give us y. So it's -2 squared -1 squared. Negative times a negative is positive, right? 0 squared. So these are the points that we're graphing for the parent quadratic function y equals x squared. The reason it's called the parent is because it's the most basic. It doesn't have any numbers in it. There could be numbers all over the place in this. It could be a trinomial. There could be an A, a B, and a C. There's not. That's why it's the parent. It's just basic.
When the top start off negative and the bottom gets positive?
So my ordered pair is -2, 4. I don't know if you guys need to write these as ordered pairs or where you can fit it, but these are the points that I'm going to plot. These are the x, y points that I plot. So -2. Well, let me do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. -2, 4. Dot. -1, 1. 0, 0. Origin.
I got a V shape on this.
Well, you're supposed to connect it so it looks curvy. Shouldn't be a perfect V shape. Should go down and then do your best to make it look curvy, not V. Should look curvy. Try not to make it look pointy. Yep. So this is a parabola. Sometimes we're gonna make it skinnier, and sometimes we're gonna make it wider, and then we're gonna move it up and down, and then sometimes we'll even flip it over, right and left as well. So we're moving this all around the place, and that's pretty much what we're doing this whole week, is moving this thing around. Starting with this one, move it around. One thing I want to put down here is the domain is all real numbers, because you guys know domain means x values. The range is not all real numbers. Can anybody describe what you see for y? Does the orange or the purple parabola hit every y value? Like these arrows go up and out forever. So every x will eventually be hit, but will every y value be hit? What y values do we see? Only the positive. Only positive y. So let's show that with a symbol. We're going to say y is greater than or equal to 0. Because y doesn't go negative.
Down. Come on, y'all, don't be different. Yeah, I do too. I think more down. Why you always gotta be different? Stick with the plan.
Here's number 2.
Yeah, we can tell.
Same thing, but we got a 3 in front. Same graph, but we got a 3 in front. I'm going to go ahead and describe what's going to happen using fancy vocabulary.
Because we voted down. She don't always put the questions up there.
What I do, people typically say, no, I didn't know. So, okay. So, the vertex, so that's going to make everything more narrow. Going to make it like look really skinny. It's called a vertical stretch because it's like you're taking a rubber band and you're pulling it. When you pull a rubber band, it gets skinny or narrow. So we're going to make that parabola just skinnier with the 3 in front. It's going to be exactly skinnier by a factor of 3. So same table. But now we have to do like a little bit more math. I have to do 3 times negative 2 squared, 3 times negative 1 squared, 3 times 0 squared, 3 times 1 squared. But everybody messes this up because of paradox. So what comes first? The multiplication or the exponent?
Exponent.
Exponents first, guys. So maybe I write that down here. Exponent first. So this is 3 times 4, 12. Because 2 squared is 4. So I'm doing the exponents first. 0 squared is 0. 3 times 0 is 0. So it's the same numbers, but multiplied by 3. So they're bigger. So this is what I'm going to plot. Negative 2, 12. Negative 1, 3. The middle is still 0, 0. 0. You're asking me what's going for the bathroom?
So what?
What did you say?
Yeah, so after this, I'm gonna pull out.
No. I don't think you should do that.
You poured all the water. Oh, yourself.
This one's even harder to make it look not like a V, but do your best and make it look curved.
Yes, this is why. You said strip across. Bless you.
So the next one, I'll go back. Sorry. Number 3, I'll write on the board, so you can leave it on up there for everybody who's working at different places. Nice. Your parabolas look great.
Now let's do this.
This is number 3, so we're in the top right. We're going to do 3x squared minus 10. So to label that one, it still has the vertical stretch, so it's still narrow. But now it's down 10. So it's going to be the same word pairs, but
Bro, what the what?
down 10.
You on the FSA?
Yep.
This one you on the FSA?
Everything
So
was
I
I
do all
would
this
do
work?
it. Listen, y'all never asked me. I would not spend class time on it if it wasn't like in the standard.
Is this the last math class I gotta take?
So, same table.
4 years of math. All you need is 3 of reading. No, you don't.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah, but you're doing gold.
Oh, it's just a.
You're doing gold.
So if you want, you can just do the y's from the number 2 and minus 10. Do you want to just do the y's from number 2 and minus 10? Or not?
205 though.
Gotcha.
Wait, what do you mean? You point at 3 and say vertical. What is that? One at 3 and say vertical.
So compared to just y equals x squared. So everything is compared to this. So compare. So I'm comparing it to this one. This one looks like this, and this one will look like this. You see it? So had this been 1/3 a fraction, it would be wider. So the number in front affects if it's skinny or wide. And the number at the end moves it up or down. So this one is skinny and it's moved down. As compared to that one we started with in box number 1. We did use the vocabulary with the V shape. And now we're doing it again with the U shape. So I don't know how much of this you can show in your little square. If you want to write the ordered pair or show the work, you guys do what you need to do. This is 3 times 4 minus 10. That's 12 minus 10, which puts our first y value at 2 instead of before where it was at 12. So you guys go ahead and try to do -1. Finish the online review, Shirley? I do, of course.
Yeah, I'm pushing on.
Doing my job. I let you stay on your phone.
Oh, that's tough.
It was not that funny.
It was that funny because she'll just walk up and snatch somebody's phone out of their hand.
I'm not doing my job if I just let it do that.
Go ahead.
Which I think is stupid. Like I think you should like be in control of yourself, but like I don't know if your parents would be mad if I just let you sit on your phone.
They would, as long as my work getting done. My work getting done, so I ain't gotta worry about it.
Alright, so I'm showing extra work. Please don't feel like you gotta show all this work.
Is that -7?
Yeah, I got 3 minus 10. I got -7.
Oh my god.
You know,
I'm on the edge of dropping out.
you can put it in your calculator, you know?
Don't cry.
I'm like, shut up. I don't cry.
What you talking about? I'm gonna cry.
Alright, then I got 0 minus 10, which is -10.
What if I had on me?
You'll be okay. Just so you know. Everything will be fine.
I don't know.
Lots of people are in this season, they're just fine. Everything's fine.
Somebody in the video shoot for overnight.
Not these ones. Must be me. At least I don't think nobody has ever been in my shoes.
Oh God.
I'm just saying, lots of people have been feeling like that. And it may Now I got 12 minus 10. There it is again. So I hope you guys are seeing like the symmetry here. I hope you're seeing the numbers repeat. Alright, did you notice?
Yes,
Did you
I
notice
do.
before I told you?
Yes,
It's
I do.
going 2, -7, -7, like it's repeating the top and repeating on the bottom.
Yes.
Alright. So I don't know where you're gonna fit your picture, but I'll try to fit my picture here.
This one is our FSA. Oh, we only got like a month or something.
Look at I put the accent
just don't know how to type that. I guess.
You talking to yourself.
Shut up.
Negative
Go,
2,
go.
2.
Oh.
Negative 1 and negative 7. 0, negative 10.
Lori,
1,
shut up.
negative 7. 2, 2. So here it is. It's just like number 2, but it's shifted down 10.
You.
Yeah, domain and range.
Show me 100 right now.
So,
Show me 100 right now.
Y'all please stop talking. I'm telling
so this center was the same as this one. So the domain and range was the same. Does somebody know where somebody is? Okay. So this one's down, so it's gonna change things.
Yes, it's for real, guys. You can see it on the floor.
That's what. Oh my.
You ain't got no headache?
Yeah, I do.
Starting to make me feel like I'm a teenage mutant ninja turtle.
Laurie, do you think you can identify the Y values for this one?
I believe so.
I think you could.
Negative 10.
Yeah.
Negative 7.
Okay. But all these are here too. The line, it just because you don't see a dot there doesn't mean that negative 9's not there. It's there. It's just at like 0.5, and it goes through it. So there's a line. So
everything basically, everything from negative 1 to negative 10. I mean, everything from 2 to negative 10.
and actually, if I made my table go to 3, it would go higher than 2, because the arrows mean it goes up forever. So my range is y is greater than or equal to negative 10. It's everything higher than negative 10. The arrows go up forever, starting here and up forever. We're on the last one. No, this is classwork. Last graph of classwork. Okay, number 4. I'll write on the screen again.
Miss, can you give us a little break right quick?
Little break. Like a 2 minute?
Yeah, 2-minute break will be just fine.
Miss, what do you call
We'll
2 minutes?
resume at 2:16.
Thank you.
2-minute break.
What should we call it? 2 minutes is like 5 seconds. Laura, you wrote this down? You sent a picture.
I don't got you on the internet. I deleted
I
Snapchat.
can't see from that far. You have one of those water bottles? You see, Laura?
Oh, thought you see me with a little water.
I still can't see.
Bruh, stop trying to take the picture and point far. It's your problem.
It's 3.4. I'll take that picture later. I can't do it right now.
I don't know, Miss. I think we should probably extend the break to about 2:25. Just the idea.
No way.
2:25. It's on my paper. It's on my paper. Yes.
What the?
That ain't no break.
2 minutes was too long. Bro, this
It's
teacher be
2:16.
true.
Continue now.
Oh my god, bro. She said 2 minutes too long. Miss, you don't get tired of doing your job? Bro, do you get tired of it sometimes?
Now
What's
we
so
have the
funny?
inside and front.
Oh.
This is called a reflection.
I'm starting to say this is cyberbullying. What road?
It's easier if you separate the negative 1 times the x squared. This leads to more accuracy, but this is not how we print it. I don't know why we don't print the easy way. We print it with less symbols, I guess. But this is what we're doing. We're doing negative 1 times x squared. It's not negative x squared. It's negative 1 times x squared. Numerically, it comes out different.
I don't be understanding none of this math stuff.
That should drop out.
I ain't learned one thing since August 10th.
That's the first day of school. We need to do that.
I ain't learned
So
one thing
same
since August
table, same x value.
10th.
That's the first day of
Now
school.
I'm gonna do
Since today.
We ain't do that first day of school. The
I'm
first week,
saying
oh, we did something.
That's the question.
Thank you.
So a lot of people do this wrong. A lot of people do this wrong. Keep in mind that exponents come before multiplication. So you do your exponent first.
What's up?
I think I'm gonna start at the bottom and go up. I'm gonna start with the positive numbers and then make my way down to the negative. Looking at the bottom, it's negative 1 times 4, which is negative 4. So my first ordered pair is 2 comma negative 4.
Why we started at the bottom?
I don't know, I thought it was easy. Positive numbers. If it's a negative 1, figure myself out. So this is negative 1 times 1, negative 1. So that's 1 comma negative 1. Negative 1 times 0, 0. That's 0 comma 0. I don't know how much. I mean, if you're tired of writing or anything, you can just write the order pair, you know?
Thank you, Jesus.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is T10.
Bus changes. Bus 671 will be bus 1032. Bus 1019 will be bus 668. Students interested in joining our sports medicine program as a student athletic trainer need to pick up an application with one of our current student athletic trainers or trainer Steve and return them no later than March 21st to be considered for the program. Seniors, Corbett and Mr. Hernandez will be staying after school this week to help you fill out your FAFSA application if you haven't done it in the media center from 2:30 to 3:30. Also, prom tickets are on sale now. They can be purchased online for $85 or $75 cash during lunch. Cash sales will increase to $85 after spring break. Ask VAP sign up with Ms. Kayla and Student Services on 331 in person. Plus, March is National Athletic Training Month. Please make sure to thank Mr. Steve for all he does and his efforts to keep our Atlanta Tigers student athletes safe, healthy, and on the field. There is a National Honor Society meeting for all NHS members in the media center today at 2:30. All National Honor Society members need to attend. And as always, have a great day. Go Tigers.
You guys, so now that it's flipped over, the
range symbol is less than. Instead of y going up and y being greater than, y is less than. Did you get that part, Brayden? Brayden, did you get the range? It's like a different way. Because it's going down, y less than.
Yes, you did. And you know what I say, man? You know what you remind me of? How to get away with murder. How to get away? Y'all ain't never watch How to Get Away with Murder? Yeah. Endless scheming. That's Dancing is the lady name on my show. Endless scheming.
So you put the negative 2 in the phone.
Like, you people don't pass by. Y'all need to go get y'all a job.
Oh, they switched them and then, oh,
I already got a job, boo.
She ain't gonna do it, so I'm not gonna job. Ain't no assignment.
Yeah, it's definitely an assignment. That's homework?
Oh, it's just 2 points. Oh.
I know you based one of them. Because this is like identify the vertex, like write a point. And this is make 2 graphs. I did give you practice for those of you who want to practice.
Oh, 7, 0.
because now that we're in March, I don't have a good.
Excuse me.